So after about 1 hour and 50 minutes, we have arrived at the launch of Alya Ninh Bay. So here I will check in and then they will arrange the boat for me to go over to the island. Perfect, thank you. So this is my lovely boat going to the island, about 15 minutes. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now I am in Villa number 23, which is the Hill Rock Villa. So you can see that sign over here is actually the do not disturb sign. So this is pretty cool. So as I say, you know, the Hill Rock Villa, I have to walk some stairs, which is all right. I'm at Alya Resort. So they are like the whole building, the whole villa. So you can see this is my pool, and then over there is my living room, and then when I walk in here is the bathroom. Okay, and then upstairs is my bedroom. So I'm going to give you a very quick room tour on everything. But you can see this property is immersed into nature. And that is very peaceful. You know, it's great for relaxation, for, you know, having a lovely vacation here. I have to take about 15 minutes speedboat over, and that is quite an easy ride here. Okay, so I'm now in the room. You know, on this floor is actually the bathroom. Okay, so I will close the door first. Okay. So as you can see, the decor here is with a lot of wood. You know, and it's called the Hill Rock Villa because you can see it's built, you know, with the rocks, landscape and everything, as I say, blend into the nature. Okay, so very quickly, slippers here, hair dryer here, amenity box here, okay, the Vietnamese hat and the beach bag here. The bathtub, that is good for a shower with the rocks view. The shower, the shampoo, the shower gel, shampoo and conditioner with the bath salt. One toilet here, as well as the rain shower here. Okay, so let's check out the other cabinet. Okay, so they have the nice bathrobe here, laundry bag, as well as the safe deposit box. Okay, and then from here you can see my pool, my private pool in my villa. Okay, so moving right up, on this mid-level is the living room. It's the outdoor living room. Okay. So here that is the Nespresso coffee machine, the tea bags, the cookies, and the Vietnamese filter coffee. Okay, so they have 6 capsules with all the proper glassware, glasses and stuff. Okay, here the wine cellar, the 2 bottles of water and the fruits are included. The wine, of course, will be charged for. Okay, and then this is the mini bar, and then all the drinks are chargeable. Okay, so they have a nice ceiling fan here, and then they put it like in the shade that even now I think it's 30 degrees Celsius. I do not feel, very hot. And they have put in, the incense box and everything to keep mosquito out, so it's pretty comfortable. So again, from here, I can go down to my pool, to my private pool, through this stairs, which is outdoor, or like how I arrive here is the indoor stairs. Okay, so let me move in to the bedroom before I show you the pool. Everyone loves pool villa. Okay, so now I am moving up just a few steps. This is the air-conditioned bedroom. Okay, so they have all the information here. They have the welcome for me, which is very nice. So he's my butler, and he takes care of everything for me. There's a small toilet here, so I do not have to walk up and down just for the toilet. But if I want a nice shower or bubble bath, then I will go down to the huge bathroom that I have. So this is the bed setting, again with very thick mattress, nice linen, king size bed. And then there's a balcony. Okay, actually my room doesn't have the ocean view. It's more the garden view, but it's in exchange for that I got a bigger pool. So there are other Hill Rock villa that has ocean view, but then the pool size is not as big. So depending on what you want, because the pool is a really decent sized pool of my villa. Okay, so this is the bedroom and other television. So I'm going to step down and go to the pool. Okay, I'm going to go indoor. Okay, so now it's like you have a house. Where do you want to go? Okay, I guess I cannot go completely indoor because I have to get out and then walk down. Okay, so there you go. So this is the size of my private pool in villa number 23. A very decent size private pool in this villa. So now I'm going to zoom back to show you the entire villa, how big it is. So again, that area is the bathroom and that is my bedroom. And here is my living room. So it is the entire villa number 27 built upon the rock on the hill. So it's the Hill Rock Villa number 23. Okay, so I have asked the butler to book a spa treatment for me, and then I'm trying to see if I can see some wildlife, some monkeys and stuff, and then at night I'm going to have dinner here. So I will show you everything, and then breakfast tomorrow morning before I leave the island. I'll go to another resort to check out the fun stuff. Okay, so follow me and I will show you more. Oh, it's jumping.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, over here, this one. He's looking at us.
Yeah.
He's looking at us.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. The butler just showed me some wildlife monkey, and those monkey are very rare. It's only in 2 places in Vietnam. One is here, one is in Đài Loan, and they only have like 5 family here and 3 families in Đài Loan. So I'm very excited to see them with the long white tails and things like that. But anyway, I hope I can show you some photos as well. But anyway, so this is the bicycle Villa 23. So each villa has its bike, so if you know how to bike, you can bike through the hotel resort and go around. So all these monkeys are just right at my villa, but they are very shy. So when they see me coming out, they are moving, but you can see the actions. For me, oh, this is the afternoon snack from the chef.
The cake will be changed every day.
Oh, okay.
Today we have some kind of coconut cake.
Okay, my afternoon treats.
Yes.
Thank you.
Relieve the tension, very nice.
Yep.
And that's
okay.
also good for your detox.
Right.
Yes. And the second suitable for your detox, that's either vitality.
Okay.
Vitality from lemongrass and orange.
Okay.
Can you smell it?
Okay.
Be careful, please.
Yep. Oh, I'm like stepping on the flowers. Thank you. So this is the fresh catch.
Yes, fresh.
The oyster
The lobster.
and then the lobster. Wow. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, wow, that's huge. Very big oyster. Wow, it's too big.
The plate is too big.
Yeah, the pay is too big. So, good morning, Vietnam. Waking up to this private pool in my Hill Rock Villa. I'm going to stay at a few hotels in Nha Trang as well as Cam Ranh, and just follow me and you can see all the choices for you around this area. Good morning.